It's a lazy afternoon, and the beetle bugs are zooming, and the tulip trees are blooming, and there's not another human in view but us two. It's a lazy afternoon, and the farmer leaves his reaping in the meadow. Cows are sleeping, and the speckled trout stop leaping upstream as we dream. A fat pink cloud hangs over the hill, unfolding like a rose. If you hold my hand and sit real still, you can hear the grass as it grows. It's a hazy.
James Sharp, the only case the SCPD couldn't crack, so I hired you. 3 years ago tonight, me and Jim were watching Casablanca at the Palladium. It was dark and raining, pouring.
And you think this had something to do with the sharpshooters, right?
Well, it's around the same time of those murders.
I'm gonna need a little bit more than that.
After the show, he held me a cab home and said, I gotta go stop by the bodega. See you back at the apartment. Then he walked right down the High Noon Alley.
High Noon Alley, you say?
Yeah.
I know it well.
Well, well, well. Mighty glad to have made your acquaintance, Jim.
Bound by blood, split by blood. We both know there's only room for one Sharp in this town.
I figured you'd say that. You could have had all the desert from Broken Ridge to Sharp City, and you still wouldn't have been happy.
Enough parlay. It's a showdown.
Oh my god!
After all this time, tell me, can't m'as flatté, oui, flatté, par les manières dont tu maniais ton bâton, les faisant tourner dans l'air, avec l'agilité d'un chevalier et la grâce d'un mensonge ancien. Ton collier d'oignon est tombé, quand tombent les perles d'un rêve oublié, sur ton cou parfumé et ta chemise raillée, et ses bérets penchés comme une confidence, épuiser les sculptures fines et précises de ton visage. Pourquoi tu as l'air triste? Mais c'est évident. C'est parce qu'il me parle avec des mots, alors que moi, je les regarde avec des sentiments. Il dit que je n'ai jamais d'idées, toujours de sentiments, toujours. Mais ce n'est pas vrai. Il y a des idées dans le sentiment, des idées trop amplement, des idées qui brûlent doucement, comme une cigarette oubliée au bord d'un lavabo.
Le thé Eiffel. Did you hear that? The what? Let me handle it.
It's not what it looks like, man. I'm here to free the proletariat.
I can't believe you, you know. Oh. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I'm not without him.
Well, if you love him, you gotta tell him. How is he meant to know?
You know what? You're right. I've got to go and tell him.
Are you leaving us?
Sharp, what are you doing here?
There's something I've got to tell you. I know you might not feel the same. I might be too dedicated, I might be too much, but I feel like I need to say from the bottom of my heart that I really love.
Agent Sharp, this is the CIA. We've got eyes on a potentially communist alien piloting a UFO in downtown Sharp City. Over.
I'm on it, CIA.
Comment belle fut comprendre. Et si vous et l'avant ton l'œil plein flamme fait vibrer à la lentille la langue de votre âme. Oh. Le lissage et le héros ton lion pensez ce courant du chevaux chanté. Alors, et c'est votre coup remet à pénétrer. Sous de les calmes volés, qui brille et le grand créateur. On croit à les familles où repose à leur âme. Le corps siphonne et joie. Une amour, une prière. Et c'est venir de les pleurs, on porte la papier. On lève assis les mains et ne s'écran mon sur chaque. Oh. Comment belle.
Ask me again.
Do you think he's gonna love or hate this?
Well, I think we'll find out.
I think he'll love it. I think he's gonna love it.
Oh yeah.
Lagi anu kayak ketemu.
Very inconspicuous, very inconspicuous. What are you talking about, bro? What are you doing?